Let's talk about how to wear a helmet. The reason I put this picture is because I was riding to work one day in Seattle and I saw one of our Red Panda customers wearing a helmet in one of the wrong ways that are actually shown on this. And so I thought, I need to talk about this more because your helmet only works if it's on you the right way. And so we got this lady to show us. I also brought my own here. A few different things. Throw the helmet on here. We got, you want about 2 fingers of width from your eyebrow to the top. So you got a good space there, give or take. We got on the side, we got the strap nicely kind of forms a V around the ear. It's not digging up in there. It's not hanging down here. It's got a nice kind of V thing there. And then underneath, you can just about fit 2 fingers in there. This is a little loose right now. I'd probably give that a little bit more of a tight. You just fit 2 fingers in there. That's about where you want it. And then the other piece, which this picture doesn't show, as I spin around, and I think, hope you can see this. I can't see the camera. A lot of helmets come with a little dial. A lot of helmets come with a little dial, and you tighten that down, and that wraps it onto your head. And what you want to do is you want the helmet to hug onto your head. You don't want it to slide independently. You want it to sort of be snug on the head because, God forbid, your head hits the pavement. You want your helmet to stay where it is and protect your head and not slide away and allow your head to get to touch that concrete or whatever it is. That's the way to wear your helmet. Super important.